In this video, I'll show you 3 major sources that you can utilize to gain more views for your YouTube videos. I'll also share some proven techniques that we use. Sounds interesting? Hop on, let's get started. How to get more views on YouTube? For sure, we can say this is the most sought after question by the YouTubers. Especially if you are a beginner, it's hard to get views without a significant subscriber base. To get more views, first we should understand the different sources for getting views. A common misconception is that we get views for our videos only through the YouTube searches. It's just one among the many. This video will show you how to increase the views from following different sources: YouTube search, external sources, and suggested videos. Also, I'll talk about 2 additional smaller sources that contribute in the long run. YouTube search. Most of us know how YouTube search works, but if you're not sure, here is a short story that explains it. Joe loves coffee. Whenever he is in the city, he visits the coffee shop road. Coffee shop road has too many coffee shops. People usually visit the ones at the start of the road. So there is always competition among the shop owners to get those few spots in the beginning of the road. So the city corporation laid a couple of rules on how those spots are allocated to the shop owners. The coffee shops where people spend more time are given the top spots. To support the new coffee shops, they are temporarily given some of the top spots in the road, and based on the performance, they are moved up or down the road to a permanent position. All the shop owners started competing to create a coffee that tasted good and made the people stay in their shop for a longer time. A person is considered to be visited a shop only if he stays there for at least 30 seconds. But the problem is, even if the coffee is good, people should enter the shop to taste it. So the shops decorated their front to attract the customers. In this story, the word coffee shop can be considered as the keyword that someone searches on the YouTube. The order of shops resembles the order of videos in the search results. The average time spent in a shop is similar to that spent watching a video. And those decoratives that are meant to attract the customers into the shop can be compared to the thumbnail. And the measure of how many people enter the shop can be compared to the click-through rate on a thumbnail. New shops are the new videos that are given higher spots in the search results for a shorter period of time before moving up or down in the results based on the performance. So the 3 important things to focus on are keyword, click-through rate, and average watch duration. Let's start with keywords. You can find high volume keywords using certain tools like Ahrefs. There are also plugins like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, which let you find these keywords and relevant traffic. Traffic is the number of people who search a particular keyword during a specific period of time. Look for keywords that are related to your niche. Click-through rate. Higher click-through rates can be attained from attractive thumbnails. Adding a human or cartoon face to the thumbnail is a common practice done by the YouTubers to get higher CTR. Adding numbers, using high contrast colors, adding celebrity faces are some other common practices. To create a good thumbnail, go to the YouTube search results and look at the thumbnail of other videos that are ranking for the same keyword. Try to understand the thumbnails of videos with higher views. Now create a thumbnail that is better than the others. Finally, visualize your thumbnail to be appearing among the search results and ask yourself, would you choose your thumbnail over the others? The important thing about thumbnail is that it should represent what's inside the video. If not, then people will close the video as soon as they open it. And even if you get a higher click-through rate initially, YouTube will stop recommending your video eventually. Average view duration. To increase the average view duration, you should create quality content. Even before the content, the first thing people are going to watch on your video is the intro. However good the video may be, if the intro is bad, people are not going to watch it. Therefore, a good intro is equally important as the content of the video itself. So what does a good intro look like? There is no one correct answer to it, but here is what I do. Tell people what they will be watching or learning from the video. It gives them a reason to stay and watch the entire video. Show instead of talking. For example, if you are creating gaming videos, make a short highlight of the most exciting parts in the video and play it at the start. This is one of the recent videos published on our channel. The average watch duration is relatively high, and this is how it goes. This video is for students and teachers who want to create animated educational videos for learning purposes. I will show you how to recreate the following video.
Today we are going to see about the human respiratory system. A vehicle needs fuel to move. Similarly, We need oxygen to function.
That intro hooked you, didn't it? Now let's look at the next point. Add a unique and attention-grabbing element. For all my videos, I use custom character animations made from Animaker. This not only grabs attention, but also makes my videos unique from the others, resulting in longer watch time. We have made some videos on how to create such animations. Check out our channel if you wish to learn more about this. This magic element does not have to be necessarily animation. It can be the editing style, camera angles, sound effects, and so on. Let's take Mr. Beast as an example. This is how most of his videos start. We can notice that there are bold texts appearing, we can see him shouting in excitement, we can notice sudden cuts in editing, and the intro tells us what the whole video is about. Let's look at one more example. Logan Paul. Weird camera angles, sudden cuts, sudden changes in locations, and so on. Even after doing all these things perfectly, our video may not rank well in the YouTube search results. There may be a lot of different reasons. There are instances where the algorithm fails to understand the video context and thus making it rank for irrelevant keywords. There are also times when we mistakenly target a wrong keyword. In such cases, you won't be able to get views. So you should keep track of your videos in the long run and make changes to the title and description to help the YouTube algorithm to understand your video. For example, this is one of the older videos published on our channel which started gaining traction after we made a slight change to the title. So the learning is never declare a video as dead. It can come back to life anytime. Help the algorithm understand your video. External sources. External sources can be any traffic source that's outside of YouTube. For our channel, major sources of external traffic are Google and Quora. Let me explain more about that. Google search. YouTube videos rank on Google search results under the video tab. For certain keywords, Google shows video results even on the main search results page. Ranking on Google search results helps in views and most importantly helps the YouTube algorithm understand the video. There are instances where we have seen videos ranking on Google search even before ranking on YouTube search. Once it ranks on Google, eventually it will find its way in YouTube results. From our experience, we found that adding timestamps helps in ranking on Google search results. Many of our videos having timestamps are ranking on the first page of Google. Timestamps helps viewer to jump directly to key moments and correct naming of timestamps is important. Quora. Promoting your videos on Quora is another way of bringing views to your videos. Find relevant questions on Quora and share your videos in the answers. Because of the higher relevancy, the views from Quora will have a higher average watch time. This means it will improve the overall watch duration, thus making it look good in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. When the watch duration is high, the YouTube algorithm will promote its visibility and you will get more views and subscribers, and this cycle continues. This is my personal account which I use to share the YouTube video links in the answers. And here you can see the total views that these answers got. The numbers are not huge, still it can help a newly published video. Suggested videos. Suggested videos are suggested while a viewer is watching a video. There are two things here to discuss. First one is to select a target video and the second one is to convey to the YouTube algorithm that our video is related to the target video. Already we saw how to find a target keyword using keyword research tool. Once a target keyword is selected, search the target keyword on YouTube and select a target video from the search results. The target video should have more views. The second step is to establish to YouTube algorithm that your video is related to the target video. The similarity in title, description and tags helps to do that. Title and description, you can directly look at the target video and add something similar yet better to your video. Regarding the tags, there are Chrome plugins which lets you see the tags added to a specific video. Add the same tags to your video too. Endscreen and playlist. Endscreen and playlist are two other underrated sources of traffic. You can add up to 4 videos on the endscreen of a video. On average, 5 to 15% of the people watch a video till the end, and that's an opportunity we can use to drive traffic to our other videos. Just make sure that the videos on the end screen are relevant to the video that you are adding it to. Creating playlists will set your videos on autoplay. Try to combine your videos based on logic and create a playlist. For example, travel vloggers publish multiple videos that they made about a location as a series and club them together in the playlist. It makes it easier for the viewers to find the videos in the same series and also it drives more traffic to the videos. Here's a quick summary of what we talked about till now. First, we looked at how to get more views from YouTube searches and the 3 important factors to be considered for ranking well on search results. Next, we talked about how to get more views from external sources like Google and Quora. Then we looked at the suggested videos option and how we can gain views by targeting other videos. Finally, we looked at the options, Endscreen and playlist, and how we can use them to gain more views. With that, we come to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. If you like the strategies mentioned in the video, or if you are already using a successful strategy, please let us know in the comments.